Today, technology advances have made the prices of mobile devices come down. In education, possession of smartphones among teachers has also increased. Teachers from different schools, rural, urban schools, possess smartphones today. But the big question is, have you thought of how best you can be able to use your smartphone for your professional development, but again, for improving your teaching and learning practices? If you haven't thought of that, we have solutions for you. Meet my team, final year students in Instruction Design and Information Technology at the University of Dodoma, Tanzania.
Hi, my name is Zefania Yohana.
Hello, my name is Hussein Selemani.
Hi, my name is Mwajabu Omari.
Hello, my name is Haidar Hadaika.
Hello, my name is Chazo Tama.
Together, we bring to you an online course of 4 weeks that will help you to be able to use effectively your smartphone in teaching and learning. So in week 1, you're going to learn about your mobile phone, know about how it is and the different basics on how to use your smartphone. In week 2, you will learn about the different mobile apps that you can be able to use for teaching and learning and how you can be able to use them. That means you will practice. And in week 3, we'll focus more on the different mobile apps that you can be able to use for different document operations. For example, working with PDF, Word, and PowerPoint presentations. And finally, in week 4, we are going to focus more on the different mobile apps you can use for your video editing and photography for your classroom.
Join us and learn more.